Hello everyone, it's Songlin here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making taro red bean soup with milk. I live in Vancouver and winter here is not terribly cold but really wet with rain that just refuses to stop. And because of that, sometimes after a long day, all I want is something warm and comforting like this delicious Chinese dessert soup we are about to make. As always, the list of ingredients and amounts will be in the description box below. Here I have half a cup of red beans that's been soaked for 6 hours. Soaking them in advance helps to shorten the cooking time and allow the beans to cook more evenly, so do not skip this step. Add your beans into a pot along with 1.5 cups of water, bring it to a boil and then let it simmer covered on low heat for 40 minutes. You'll know the beans are ready when they turn soft and the skin starts to fall off. Alright, now add in 5 tablespoons of black sugar plus a cup of water into the cooked beans and simmer again for 10 more minutes. When your timer goes off, transfer out about 2/3 of the red beans plus a couple ladles of the liquid and blend it into a paste. We're gonna add this back to the soup at the very end, but for now set it aside. To the rest of the beans, we're gonna add in the taro pieces and cook until they become fork tender, which takes about 10 minutes. Next, mix in 1 cup of milk and the red bean paste. Be gentle with the stirring because you do not want to break your taro. I happen to have some cooked drops tears on hand, so I threw them in as well, which is totally optional. If you do want to know how to cook drops tears though, I'll give you more info in the recipe notes. Now, when your soup comes back to a gentle simmer, turn the heat off immediately, serve when it's warm, and enjoy! Like I mentioned in the beginning, this dessert soup is very hearty. The red bean paste really gives the soup a very smooth texture, and the black sugar offers a deeper, well-rounded flavor rather than just sweetness. Also, feel free to skip the milk or use coconut milk if you're trying to avoid dairy. And if you're curious about Chinese dessert soup or just on the hunt for something sweet and warming for cold, wet days, you should definitely give this a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, comment for any questions or thoughts, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!